a tip, a hack, a free hack that you could use if you're not feeling well lately, you're feeling tired, is, and this is going to sound very logical, it's exercise. Exercise is one of the big things you could do to get your mitochondria working properly again. It's also a massive thing to get your nitric oxide synthase enzymes to work properly, so get the blood flow back, to help clear all these things from your body. I'm not talking HIIT, I'm not talking high intensity training, I'm talking about just getting on an exercise bike and going in zone 2 for about 30 minutes if you're able. If you've got post-exertional malaise, which is deep dysfunction of the mitochondria, you probably shouldn't do this, but if you're able, if you do not have, and post-exertional malaise is where you're, after exercise, you just feel very, very tired, extremely tired and just bad. If you feel bad from low intensity exercise, that's a red flag, and you've probably had this checked out, but you should be careful with such things, with such symptoms. But if you're not having this, 30 minutes, I would even say per day, of zone 2 cardio, which is low heart rate. It depends on your age, but it would be something like 100 ppm to 120, at least it is for me. And you could buy an exercise bike. It doesn't have to cost much if you have the space for it. I don't really have the space for it here in my apartment, so I go to the gym, not far away. You could even like put it in front of your television, or in the gym. I usually listen to a podcast or something of this nature, and it's easy. And then just go back home again, shower, and I'm done, and I feel way better.